This is Mary at the.meri.atelier, and I wanted to show you, I'm cleaning off my desk. I have it just about as clean as it's going to get, but all of that stuff that was stacked up there, and I pushed the screen, most everything's out from behind. I've got a few things in a envelope holder back there. I've got jars of paintbrushes and pencils over here. I have a little candy dish of some pins I need to go through. This little guy right here is holding a card that Petals and Dreams gave to me. She said, you can use it for a BRB. And I'm going, what's BRB? What's BRB? And it really is be right back. So when I leave the room, I can put that little guy up there. And he was hidden in there. This is my top shelf to this. And this I'm pretty much going to leave the same because it's got all my little knick-knacky things in here, except I might go through, I've got some washi tape and some ribbons in there I might go through. And this box is a box of red work patterns. This is cool. I'm going to make a journal out of that sometime. And, I've just got some little knickknacks, button cards up there. There's a shadow box up in here I might eventually do something with. That's part of the flagpole around the corner there. This I'll leave pretty much. Whoops. What did I knocked something down there I got to pick up. This is an iron. I need to move that, find a place for that craft iron. But my brother comes in here to get paper and envelopes, so that'll all stay. All of this shelf will stay. This is just a basket of stuff. I pretty much know what's going on there, but I haven't really inventoried it yet. I got a glue, E6000. I wanted to try that glue. Got my arcade here where I can get a hold of it. Here's the cup of pens that Deborah Brown sent me, and Holly's candle, a little jar of crayons. This computer screen, I need to hook all this stuff up again, run the cords behind. Right now they're just out. I need to put them behind. I did sort this tray of stuff out too. So I usually keep my stencils, my little stencils that I use a lot, I keep them right there. I've got a tray of just stuff that I use. There's the mouse to the computer, and this is stuff that I reach for, and sometimes I'll put scrap papers there. So that goes in, I'm pretty proud of that. Now what's underneath this box is I was inventorying today, and this box is still being inventoried, so I put a lacy cover over it. My cart, believe it or not, it still looks messy, but I cleared a lot of stuff out of there yet today. And I had this desk because I was clearing off stuff. Earlier today, I was out in Becky's Craft and Chat, and this desk was piled high. It was piled high. And I was peeking around. You could only see my head up in the corner of the chat room. It was piled high with stuff that I just pulled off from over here, and I inventoried it and put it in that box. But I also cleaned this cart off. I have a cart over here, and this was piled high too, and I sorted all that out. This is current stuff that I work on, but it's organized now. I'm very happy with it. So I still need to get in that other room. I tried yesterday. I pulled out a stack of magazines that I pulled out to Fussy Cut, and I found a 2017 December Daily, and I got to organizing that. I put it back in there, but I think I'm going to work on that. Down there, while I was talking to Becky stores all of her journals in a Dollar Tree wash basin, a dishwash basin, and I'm going to get that. Right now I have all my Becky-inspired, put all my current journals in there, and that'll stay down there by my crafts. I'll have to push this cart to the side and, pull that box out to get to the craft room. But as I'm working, I'm going to leave my journals down there, and I might even arrange it so I can put them in there. This is a pull-out door. I have paper pads stored in there. I really need to get in there because I never get in there because I got stuff in front of it. You know that story. So I feel like I'm making progress. It's just little by little. I need to take the masking tape off the screen and get it all hooked up. But I'm pretty proud of what I've done so far. So this is part 2 of my messy studio cleanup. I still have this mess to deal with behind my chair. And believe it or not, this looks messy in here, but it's mostly just stacked up boxes. And they've all been inventoried, and I need to get everything out of that little craft room so I can move those things in there. And then I can get back there and kind of straighten up and yeah. So I'm making progress. See you later.